Alright, in this second video we're going to create the run clip. So we created the walk clip in the previous video. Now I'm going to create this run clip. You can see my run cycles, 12 frames. Really, it's like I said, I make these 13 so that when I make my clip, I don't double up these 2 frames. So I really make the clip only to frame 12, and then I have my slight difference. Whereas if I make my keyframe, my loop, end at frame 12, then my run cycle is really only 11 frames because I don't want to include this duplicated frame. So, like with the walk cycle, I have to make a character set, and I make the character set by selecting all of the controllers that are controlling my character that I want to be in the character set. So I'm going to hide the mesh layer here so that it may make it a little bit easier to see what I'm selecting. So I'm just going to hide the mesh layer. And now I'm going to select all of these. And I've tried to just, like I said in the walk video, I try to just do this and select them. The problem is that there seems to be things, perhaps it's these FKIK switches, that don't want to be included in the character set. So we can try it again. I can go to key up here. I'm in the animation menu. If I go to the key, character set, I'm going to call this run, and I'll create a character set. It seemed to make it. So there we go. Okay, well that was easy, making the character set. Let's see if it created all of that. So that was easy. I could just select them. I tried that. Maybe it was I didn't hide the mesh. Maybe I was selecting something on the mesh. But let's see if this will make, I think it'll have everything in the character clip. So let's try and make it. So let's go to Windows, Animation Editor, Trax Editor. We have our clip, our character set automatically loaded because under List, I've checked this box. If it's not checked, then when you open the Trax Editor, the character set won't be loaded. I would check the box, close the Trax Editor, and then reopen it, and it'll automatically load the character set. You also have to have it selected down here in the list. So your character set is loaded into the Trax Editor, and now I want to make the clip. So I'm going to go to Create Animation Clip Options. I'm going to call this Run Clip. So RC, Run C. Again, my start and end time, I'm not ending on my last frame, frame 13. I'm only going to do a start time of 1, but an end time of 12. So that way it doesn't duplicate my last frame. The other stuff I'll leave pretty much like it is, so that I can just create the clip. There we go. I can zoom in here a little bit. If I click on this little arrow, there's my clip. I'm going to select it, and I want to save it. So I'm going to go to File, Export Animation Clip, and I think I stored the last one to the desktop, so I'm going to call this Run Clip. And if